Rishikesh, the land of yoga, known for its adventure, culture, and spirituality. But that's not the reason why I'm here today. Well, hi guys, I'm Riddhi, your Physio Diaries, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you watch it through. So, the reason I'm going to Rishikesh is something very, very special, and I think you might or might not know about it. So, basically, there's a Physio Fest happening in Rishikesh on the Physiotherapy Day. I hope you guys are also celebrating Physiotherapy Day, not because कि हम लोगों को मज़ा नहीं आता ये सब नहीं आता, but it's so good for our careers and for our profession क्योंकि हमारे profession को बहुत aware करता है, तो you should also make it a big deal. Go out, talk about your profession, be proud of it. I'm going on my first solo trip ever. And मेरे पापा मम्मा बहुत डरे हुए हैं because of the condition that is right now in उत्तराखंड, जो हम लोग न्यूज़ के साथ exaggerated सुन रहे हैं बारिश के बारे में, cloud bursts के बारे में. Honestly, I'm kind of scared too कि मैं खुद कैसे manage करूँगी. But I cannot tell them that. I cannot express that I'm scared even this much because फिर वो मुझे जाने नहीं देंगे. They will be like, yes, our fear is rational. But मुझे उनके सामने act करना पड़ता है कि I'm good, I'm strong, मैं खुद सब मैनेज कर लूँगी. although मैं खुद मैनेज कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, बट मैं जाऊँगी, ऐसे ही सीखेंगे. एंड आई विल टेक यू गाइज विथ मी सो दैट आप लोग भी ऐसे चीज़ें करते रहें. एंड you know, the reason this trip is not going to be just Rishikesh. I might be going to Mussoorie and I might be going to some other places as well. मैं बहुत चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करने वाली हूँ इस ट्रिप पे. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ 15-day long trip. Although ऋषिकेश में भी I will be like there for like 4 days. And the other surprises that will come are also surprises for me क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. It's all, let's see. So guys, Delhi पहुँचते से I made a huge blunder by getting down on the wrong station because I slept too much, and instead of getting down on Hazrat Nizamuddin, I got down at New Delhi and I had to go back and I literally wanted to cry. But I eventually met my seniors who I became friends with immediately, whom I was traveling from Delhi to Rishikesh to the resort, which was also a little far away from Rishikesh. These guys found me from the WhatsApp group of the Physio Fest, and so we decided to travel together. रास्ते में हम लोगों ने बहुत बारिश देखी जो कि मेरे लिए बहुत स्कैरी था because I thought अभी सब बादल फट जाएंगे, हम लोग डूब जाएंगे. I was imagining the worst case scenario because that's just me, but the scenario was beautiful. हम लोगों को बादल दिख रहे थे and I was like ऋषिकेश में बहुत सारे बादल दिखेंगे. I was so excited. The vibes were vibing. It took us almost 5 to 6 hours to reach our resort, which was very exhausting. And this is what we saw when we finally reached. Oh my god. So even though the resort location was beautiful, but it was a whole ass trek down. We were not able to carry our suitcases down. Being a cute little princess, मैंने तो मेरा बैग सीनियर्स को दे दिया था. But as soon as I reached, I met. You obviously have to know him. Devansh and me have been physio creators since 2 years, and we've been creating content together. We have been bonding about this trip, talking about it since months, planning, plotting, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. Although we ended up doing nothing except having a lot of fun. After checking into our rooms, we walked back to this beautiful riverside, which was right behind our resort. It was magical and it was like मेरी पूरी थकान हट गई थी ये देखकर. बहुत सुकून था, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. यहाँ से लिटरली हिलने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. बट वी नीडेड सम रेस्ट फॉर द नाइट क्योंकि हम लोगों का आज बहुत सारा बॉन्डिंग सेशन होने वाला था. वी वर अबाउट टू प्ले सम गेम्स and kick off the thrill. After a shower and some good rest and dinner, we started off the event with Squid Game, where Snehal sir addressed the entire crowd and we played some games. Although मैं बहुत जल्दी out हो गई. I don't know why my luck in games is so bad. मैं हमेशा बहुत जल्दी हार जाती हूँ. अब हार गई थी इसलिए I also hosted a game. which was super fun क्योंकि मुझे लोगों को हारता हुआ देख के बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. And this is a video of Devansh going completely crazy to make the other team lose क्योंकि उसको इतने ज़ोर से जीतना था. That man was about to cry when he lost. And because I was super tired from the travel, I slept very early and that's why I don't have any clips. This was the morning where I was arguing with Devansh for the breakfast. हम लोगों ने खाना खाया and left for the trek. Shut up, I need to vlog. So we're leaving for the trek और हमारा जो रूम से ट्रैक का रास्ता है that's also pretty much a trek. I'll show you guys.
फिजियोथेरेपी वृद्धि अभी इसने बस इतना चला है
यार तो मैं व्लॉग भी कर so stupid. हम लोग रूम में बैठे रह गए and now we have to go alone. सब लोग निकल गए ट्रैक के लिए and we have to like run towards them. Wish us luck that we spot them. This is where we are staying. It's very sunny. I expected it to be very, you know, बारिश वाला मौसम. We're struggling. हाँ, we're struggling. Hello. हम लोग we're using umbrellas for the wrong reasons. Like, और मैं बताऊँ, road that we're walking on, and सब लोग हमारे ग्रुप के चले गए हैं इसकी वजह से.
ए वहाँ पर कौन रूम में कौन बैठा हुआ था एसी में
We have reached. We came all the way over here. The weather was so sunny that इस waterfall में आके इतना चैन मिल रहा था. I cannot even express it. हमारी मम्मा बन के बैठे हैं. देवांश को इतना परेशान किया अच्छे पिक्चर्स लेने के लिए. थेपला. He did not notice, but say hi to Journey of a physio guys. ये देवांश ने फोन ऐसे क्यों पकड़ा है?
हम नहीं आ रहे हैं
Spending time at the waterfall and the trek was beautiful. Me, Devansh and Gauri ma'am walked back through these roads again between the mountains. कभी कभी पहाड़ों के बीच में चल भी लेना चाहिए. हम लोग गाड़ियों में इन नज़ारों को इतने अच्छे से absorb नहीं कर पाते हैं. I just want to say that I came to this trip all alone without any expectations and feeling very nervous. But I met and made friends with these two like it was my home, like they were my long lost friends I was meeting after a while. I'm so grateful to have this friendship. Thank you for everything, guys. And even though it was getting a little drizzly, after reaching a resort, we still came back to the riverside
So guys,
yet again.
हम लोग बारिश में नदी के किनारे छाता लेके बैठे हुए हैं और वहाँ इवेंट चालू हो चुका है. हम यहाँ पे मस्ती कर रहे हैं बट ये काफी सूदिंग है ना हम लोग.
We were with this view and out of our networks for like 3 whole days, and it was perfect. Although not for my parents, they were really worried, but this break was all I needed. After our high teas, we were asked to wear white and get arranged in this room for a formal event, and this was what me and Devansh were up to. In the event, हम दोनों बहुत sleepy हैं. But honestly guys, this event for me was unexpectedly so good because it was basically a court where we were discussing problems related to physios and our profession, and it was eye-opening. It changed my perspective on a lot of things.
3, 2, 1.
अब इतना बिना फॉर्मल इवेंट से सीधा हमें डीजे नाइट इतने इनफॉर्मल इवेंट में. द पोलैरिटी ऑफ फिजियोज नोबडी कैन इवन गेट. After the DJ night and dinner, one of our physios who had written a whole book launched his second book between us, which was such a special moment. I was really awed with his work and talent. Honestly, it made me want to write a book as well. Everybody slept very late, but not me because I had some other plans. I decided to wake up at 5 a.m. to have this riverside and mountains all to myself. Although I tried to wake Devansh up, but he couldn't wake up because he slept really late. So I went to this place all alone, sat there for like an hour, meditated, and it was the most peaceful thing in my entire life. I was feeling so good about it. I really just wanted to have a house and settle near it. It's D-Day.
क्लूज का
हैप्पी फिजियोथेरेपी डे गाइस. आज हम लोग ट्रेजर हंट खेल रहे हैं. द सीन्स देवांश यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है. Beginning of the end. Vlogger. Everyone was given a memento, but something really special and unexpected happened. Yes, exactly. Your girl got awarded as the rising creator. Oh my god, I really couldn't believe this actually happened. When I started content creation, after saying the hardest goodbyes, especially to this idiot, we came back all the way to Rishikesh in this truck. And I decided to explore Rishikesh all by myself. But the problem was, I did not have a place to stay and had a lot of bags. This is where the adventure actually began for me because I was completely alone in an unknown city and I took the worst decision ever. Yes, मैंने एक बहुत रैंडम अंकल से लिफ्ट मांगी और मैं मेरी डेस्टिनेशन तक गई because I couldn't find any autos to reach where I wanted to. I was scared for my fucking life. और भगवान की दया से वो अंकल ने मुझे अपनी सही जगह पे छोड़ दिया और वहाँ से मैं ऑटो लेके त्रिवेणी घाट आ गई because I was stuck with my suitcases. I couldn't go anywhere. But I made friends with these two girls who took me along with them. We had lunch together and spent a lot of time together bonding and sat next to the Triveni Ghat right before the Aarti. If somehow, somewhere you're watching this, you were my literal saviors. Thank you. And funny enough, Aarti start होने से पहले I reunited with some of the physios from the Physio Fest, which was super fun and weird. This is when the Ganga Aarti ended and it was so beautiful and something magical happened right after. When I went out, someone called my name and I was like, यहाँ मुझे कौन जानता है? But this sweetest girl knew my name because she said she watches my video, which was genuinely the most beautiful thing ever. So after leaving Triveni Ghat, I got an auto and left for the bus stop क्योंकि मैं जा रही थी हरिद्वार. I reached Haridwar in like 2 hours in a local bus by myself. And why was I in Haridwar? Well, Like I told you, there are going to be a lot of surprises. So I'll see you in the part 2. Until then, bye bye, take care.